Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends error code 7 disconnect from Riot servers. So the first thing you want to do is head over to status.riotgames.com and then select League of Legends or whatever game you play, and then select your server where you play and see if there's any errors or whatnot. So in this case, it's clear, so it's on our end. So the next thing you want to do is go to view network connections, go to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're using, properties, and go to Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on it, and to make sure that this is ticked, use the following DNS server address and then type in this a.a.a.a, and then as alternative is 8844. Click OK and close this. Once you've done this, what you can do is you can type in CMD and then run it as an administrator. And if you want to type in ipconfig //flush DNS, and the next thing you want to do is type in netsh and sock reset. And once you press enter, you must restart your PC and it should work. And that's it for this video. If it helped, comment down below, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.